What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo XC60 B5 Core. So the Core model is the basic model, and it is the entry-level XC60, but it is very nice in here. And what's very interesting is all of the trim levels have the crystal gear shifter from for Sweden, which is really nice. Like before, like only the higher trim levels would get the crystal shifter, and then the lower trim levels would get this black shifter thing, which didn't look nearly as good as this. But this is really nice, and you can honestly, it doesn't even look like a Core in here. It looks kind of like a Plus, but this one doesn't have a premium sound system. The Core will just get the regular sound system, no Harman Kardon or anything like that. But you have a panoramic sunroof. You have the same screen that you'd find in the Plus and the Ultra. You have the Google Maps built in, same thing, gauge cluster wise and all that. Very nice open pore wood trim. It feels really good. Like, this is some high quality wood. Like, it literally you could feel like the grain, and it's not like some synthetic wood or something like that. But yeah, very nice in here. Seats look really nice, and the seats are comfortable too. Like, feels pretty nice in here. But let's go walk around it and see what it looks like. So the Core will give you smaller wheels than you'd find on a Plus or an Ultra Plus or a T8. Smaller wheels, bigger tires, so less road noise. And you do have the new grille, which is like the cross design that you also find on the XC90, the 2025.5 and 2026 XC90s. B5 all-wheel drive badge on the back. Here's the trunk. Looks pretty good. And here are the rear seats. You have AC vents in the B pillars, which is a nice way to do it. A lot of brands don't do that, so that's cool. But you don't have vents in the center, which is fine because you have it in the B pillar. It's really all you need, in my opinion. So 2026 Volvo XC60 B5 all-wheel drive mild hybrid Core, 2-liter turbocharged direct injected engine, 8-speed Geartronic automatic with 247 horsepower, 266 pound-feet of torque with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Total suggested retail price is $50,995. And since it's the Core, as I said, it's most basic. There's no options on this car. This is the most basic XC60 2026 model you can get. And roughly $51,000 is what you will have to pay for that. You have the Onyx black exterior with the cardamom quilted Nordico interior. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. And you have your drive modes here, standard and off-road, and you also have a firm and soft steering feel. I'm going to hit firm for that. So let's go. And be sure to check out my videos on the B5 Plus and the T8 plug-in hybrid Ultra. I'm going to get videos on all the trim levels, as I always do. And then I also need to get a video on the B5 Ultra. I don't know if they still make the B5 Ultra, but I'm pretty sure they do. I definitely need to learn a lot more about my Volvo trim levels and stuff because I'm not too familiar with them. Man, that is really soft suspension. Like, it feels, when you go over the speed bump, it feels like nothing. That's impressive for the Core. But also, since it has meatier tires, you will feel less road noise and road bumps. Yeah, like as I said, I think Volvo did a good thing by putting this crystal shifter in the Core too. Makes the even base model feel premium, more premium. Nice, pretty good acceleration actually. very smooth ride. And the mild hybrid system not only helps with fuel economy, but it'll also give you like some extra acceleration off the line and stuff. So this car has more than enough acceleration for your daily driving needs. It's actually pretty peppy. I like that. And it's really quiet in here too. That's something you don't see in a lot of base model vehicles. Even from luxury brands, you'll feel more road noise and things like that, but in this car it doesn't feel that way. It feels just like a plus, in my opinion, which is nice. Like when I opened the door to this, I was kind of surprised. I was like, wow, this is nice. I'm really interested in trying out the new Volvo cars, which are going to be coming out soon, like the ES90, and if they make another S60, I'm not sure about that. And then I don't know if the brand new S90 is going to be sold in the US. I think it is. If it is, I'm very excited to drive that because I love the Volvo S90. I think it's a very underrated luxury sedan. It's really comfortable and luxurious. And then the new S90 is going to have the same interior and the same front fascia as the new XC90. But while this Volvo XC60, it's facelifted obviously to have this new interior. The exterior is pretty much the same other than the front grille. Otherwise you can't really tell, and the wheels. The main difference is the interior, because this looks pretty much identical to the XC90, which is a well-needed update from Volvo. And now the XC60 has a nice update too. And I hope they make a XC60 Pulsar engineered. I don't know if they will, but it'll be cool if they do, because I really like that car. Not very common, and most people don't even know that that car exists, but I really like it. But overall, nice Volvo XC60 core right here. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own new XC60.